There are a number of ways to earn a living, part-time or full-time. There are jobs that pay by the hour. There are jobs that pay a salary. And there are commission positions such as real estate, insurance, and there's network marketing where you have the ability to build a team and to earn an income based upon your own efforts and earn an override income based on the efforts of the team whenever products, goods, or services move through the network. The compensation plan will dictate how you are paid, and this overview will explain how the Isagenix compensation plan works and how you can personally benefit. And of course, just like with anything in life, you get out of it what you put in. For more information on the Isagenix compensation plan, you can go to isagenixbusiness.com, and you can also see isagenixearnings.com. So let's get started. We have our simple system PVC, and when you connect that to the Isagenix team compensation plan, you have our simple, easy, and exciting tracks to run on. It's all connected. What we're going to talk about today is the right now money. You can start earning money right away, and we'll walk you through that and how that's connected to the big picture, the leveraged income that people get so excited about in Isagenix. But what is there in between? We have some great rank advancement bonuses and leadership pools you can earn, and we call this ACMDE, or the bridge income. So let's dive right into the right now money. It's super simple. This is where you just share the Isagenix products and you can earn 20%. So let's walk through a few examples. You can see in this particular case, someone got started with $250 in products. You just take that times 20%, you get a $50 product introduction bonus that we'll call PIB. In the next example, you got two people started, one with $200 in products, the other with $100 for a total of $300. Take that times 20%, you've just earned a $60 PIB. So here you can see someone got three people started. You have three people started with $250 total times 20%. You've just earned a $50 product introduction bonus. And in this example, you got five people started for a total of $1,500 in start orders times 20%. You've just earned a $300 product introduction bonus. So it's a super simple formula. It's just simply 20% times your total in first order sales. And of course, we always want to help others do what you just did. When you help your two personally enrolled share with two people within 60 days of advancing your account from customer to an associate, you can earn an additional $500. So let's look at this formula in action. So you have the 20% in first order sales. In this particular example, you have $500 in first order sales. You've just earned a $100 PIB. And like I mentioned, of course, we always want to turn around and show others how to do what we just did. So if we help two personally enrolled share with two people within 60 days, we've earned $500 for a total of $600. So let's walk through an example. So here you have just upgraded your account from customer to an associate. You use our simple system, PVC, to share with your friend Mary and David, and also another customer. And you can see their first order sales are $500 times 20%. You've just earned a $100 PIB. You also had your first rank advancement to consultant. When you enroll one person on your left, one person on your right, that's a $50 bonus for a total earned of $150. Like we mentioned before, you want to make sure that you let other people know about our simple system PVC. And of course, they get excited about our market disruptive innovative products, our three-step simple system PVC 1, 2, 3, and of course, our incredible compensation plan that we're walking through right now. You earn $100 for Mary and David as a consultant development bonus for a total of $200. And when you achieve manager within 60 days, you also could receive a Crystal Manager bonus of $250 for a total earned in this example of $600. So remember the formula. It was PIB plus when you show two people how to enroll two people, it's $500. So here you can see how you earned the $500. It's the consultant bonus, the consultant development bonus of $100 for Mary, $100 for David, and the Crystal Manager bonus. So that's a total of $500. Plus the PIB of $100 for a total of $600. But to make sure that you understand, let's walk through another example. So again, you have Mary and David that got started with their products. We used a different amount this time, and also a few other customers. So all of those are adding up. So you have a total of $1,000 in total first order sales. Take that times 20%. You've earned a $200 PIB. And you also had your consultant rank advancement where you earned $50. Of course, you showed Mary and David how simple and easy it is to share the Isagenix products and income opportunity with others with our simple system PVC. And you earned $100 for Mary and David when they became a consultant. That's the consultant development bonus. So for a total of $200 for that. And you also achieved manager within your first 60 days. So you achieved the Crystal Manager bonus. So you add $250 for that for a total of $700. So again, whenever you help enroll two people when you first get started, you're going to earn $500. And you can see where that came from there on the right in the red, plus $200 for the PIB for a total of $700. So again, to review, remember we have that incredible right now money. And when you continue to do that and repeat and share with others and teach and train others how to do what you just did, guiding people to our amazing, incredible market disrupting products, our simple system PVC, and our compensation plan, which of course blows people's mind, that is how you create that big picture, that leveraged income. And then there's the bridge money in between, the ACMDE that we'll be talking about in a moment, as you rank advance from associate to consultant, manager, director, and executive. But let's walk through, how does the right now money translate into cycle pay, into leveraged income? How does that work in Isagenix? So as you enroll people and get people started with their products on the left and the right, and that starts to grow. You're continuing to share with others, and a few of the people that you get started are sharing with others using our simple system PVC. And as you're building, each one of those people is connected to business volume every time that they purchase a product. With the Isagenix computer looking for 600 BV on one side, 300 BV on the other. 900 points, business volume equals one cycle. One cycle equals $54, where you can earn in that original business center up to 250 cycles a week. So do the math, 250 cycles a week times $54, that's $13,500 a week. And you think, but how does that work? How does that work? Again, we're sharing with people the big picture, our incredible products. They're results driven. People love how they look and feel on Isagenix products. But when they see how simple it is, and they see that we have a 3-step simple system, that it's so simple and easy to share with others, and how it's connected to an incredible compensation plan, they get excited too. So you can see that person in the red gets excited. They start sharing the big picture, and they build that network of consumers. All of that volume is flowing up through you. And then someone on the right side in the green, they get excited. They start seeing the big picture. They start building a business with Isagenix. That volume starts rolling up. And then you have that person in the yellow on the inside of an inside leg. So just showing you the example of what happens when people get really excited and they think, what if? What if this could provide the much needed income that our family is needing right now? And all of that business volume starts rolling through. But that's not all, because within that network, you have others that see the big picture, and they start building a network of consumers. So where do you see yourself? Look at these incomes and the potential. So all of the volume is connected to business volume. Business volume is connected to cycles, and we're paid every week. We love ISA payday every single week. So 5 cycles a week, $270 a week. What would an extra $300 a week do for your family? That's the big picture. Where do you see yourself? But that's not all. 250 cycles a week plus matching team bonus, 10%, that 250 cycles a week, that's $13,500 a week. But you have the opportunity in Isagenix to build an additional business center once you achieve that 250 cycles a week in your first business center. So now, in this case, you can see how your left team became your entire first business center, and then you just start building on the right of your second business center. Again, with the Isagenix computer looking for 600 BV on one side, 300 BV on the other. So in this particular example, you'd actually get paid twice. You'd have your first business center and your second business center. So I just really wanted to show you the possibilities are incredible, from using Isagenix products to maybe getting your products paid for with the Right Now money, maybe sharing with a few others, making a few $100s a week, or as you can see here, incredible residual income. So to review, it's all connected. We have the Right Now money, that 20% that you can start earning right away, and how when you do that on repeat and show others how to do what you just did, guiding people to our amazing market disruptive innovative products, our 3-step simple system, PVC 123, and our phenomenal compensation plan as we just laid out for you. But we have some great bridge money in between. So let's talk about that. ACMDE, associate, consultant, manager, director, and executive. And we start with an associate. What can you earn there? The 20% PIB that we just walked through. Consultant is enrolling someone on your left and your right, and you want to do that right away to earn that $50 bonus, plus to start earning those incredible commission cycles every week. What is manager? It's 2 personally enrolled consultants. And if you do that within 60 days, there's a $250 bonus for that. And the next is director. So you can see that each one is just building on the next. So 6 personally enrolled consultants, 6 people who've enrolled 2 people. And if you do that within 120 days, there's a $750 additional bonus in addition to everything that you've earned along the way. But executive, this is exciting. This is 10 personally enrolled consultants, 10 people who've enrolled 2 people. And if you achieve that within 180 days or 6 months, there's a $1,000 Crystal Executive bonus. But you can also earn a 10% team matching bonus on all of your personally enrolled consultants. And there's also an executive lifestyle bonus up to $10,000 a year. So you can see that there are thousands of dollars that you can earn as you're building your network of consumers and really building that leveraged residual income. And lastly, there's the executive pools where you can earn, in addition to everything else along the way, you can earn up to $8,000 a month in those executive pools. But you know, it's so important to have a visual success map, the map to Crystal Executive. Your mind needs a target. And I've often found that sticky notes work great. You can put them on the wall, you can put them on a door, you can put them on your computer, but make the roadmap colorful so it's visual and it's always in front of you. So to review, when you have 2 people that have enrolled 2, you earn that $250 Crystal Manager bonus. When you have 6 people who've enrolled 2, so you can see 6 are in the blue, they're their names that have enrolled 2, you can earn a $750 Crystal Director bonus. And here, if you have 10 people, 5 on the right, 5 on the left, who've each enrolled 2, you can earn a $1,000 bonus. So if you're excited to get started in your Isagenix business, definitely be purposeful and intentional. And you can write the names on a whiteboard, you can have it on a piece of paper. The sticky notes work great, but your mind definitely needs a visual target. And lastly, but definitely not least, this is really what got me so excited about the profession of network marketing and Isagenix, is that I wasn't able to utilize time leveraging in my job, in my job. But with time leveraging in Isagenix, it's a team of people putting in the time. So let's walk through that. So here you are, and let's say you're able to put in 10 hours a week into your Isagenix business. Then you're probably going to get paid on that 10 hours of effort, right? But as you saw in our compensation plan, you're able to earn also on the efforts of others. So if you enroll someone on your left team and someone on your right team, and the person on the left is able to put 10 hours in, and the person on your right is able to put 8 hours in, you're paid on a total of 28 hours, but you've just put in 10. But as you start growing that network, and you have some customers in there, but there's a few others who say, yes, I'm excited, show me how to do this. And they're putting in some hours. Now you're at 44 hours of earning power, and you still are putting in 10 hours a week. You build your network more. You've got some great customers in there, but there's a few more business builders that have decided to put some time in as well. And here you start earning on 64 hours, but you're still putting in that consistent 10 hours a week. continues to grow. You've got more customers, you have some more business builders. They're excited to earn on their efforts, but you're also earning on the efforts of the team. You're up to 112 hours of earning power, and you're still putting in that consistent 10 hours a week. And it continues to grow, and it continues to grow. So, do we have your mind going? Are you excited? I know when I saw this, I couldn't sleep. I was so used to clocking in and clocking out, putting in the hours and going home, but I was only paid on my efforts. But here you're able to get paid on the efforts of the team. So let's review the tracks to run on. We have PVC 1, 2, 3, super simple, how we can share this business from anywhere we happen to be, from our cell phones, from our laptops, right on our kitchen counter. We have the Right Now Money, where you can start earning the 20% right away. You have the ACMDE, all those rank advancement, the bonuses and the leadership pools, which is the bridge money over to the big picture, the leveraged residual income. But the community and partnership is so special in Isagenix. You're in business for yourself, but you're definitely not by yourself. So that's the big picture. We've talked about the tracks to run on. We've talked about the system we use, and we've talked about the big picture. But now it's your decision. How far up is up for you? Are you looking to pay for your products? Great. Are you looking for a part-time income, or are you looking for something more? Get back right away with the person who invited you to watch this and ask them for help in mapping out a plan that's right for you to create the income you desire. This is a partnership, and they will be so thrilled to partner with you in your success.